What's happening, guys? Welcome back to Nuts and Bolts. Today we have the Camaro build still going on. A 99, rare can be, Hugger Orange 99. We're turning it into from a Z28 over to an SS, kind of a clone. If you're into like the whole 4 Gen Camaro type thing, you'll know that the 99 Hugger Orange Camaros were only made for 1 year. They were made back in '69, made them again back in '99, 30-year anniversary of them. And so we have a Z28 version. There's only like 260 of them ever made. We're gonna turn it into what they call a HoSS, which is a Hugger Orange SS. And they're super rare. They come out beautiful with the combination. So come on and join us. Let's go check it out. All right, guys, we got the spring compressor, got the shocks off. I got the springs off the shocks. Dropping on the new stuff now. Look how better that freaking looks. Jose's gonna work on trying to get them on there, and then we'll go ahead and give you a reveal here in a minute. I'm gonna work on the back, do some painting, fixing that up. But yeah, this is gonna come out really good. Should get the calipers and rotors and everything on today. Hopefully we can get the wheels on for y'all. We can drop this bad boy and get the final reveal of our stance. All right, guys, we took the wire brush, wire wheels and everything, and grinded everything down. I got it pretty good. It's just got a surface look to it, a little surface rust. What we're gonna do a lot of black in here. We're gonna do some silver stuff. We got silver paint, we got our silver, and then we're gonna do everything else in black. And then we'll have our red springs come in, make it pop really nice and neat. Just cleaning it up, just make sure that everything is right, because you don't want to leave this crap looking like this, man. Especially when this car's gonna look so amazing. So, all right, let's do it. Rotors, calipers paint matched. These amazing Weld wheels. I mean, a 285 on a Camaro, it's gonna hook nice. It doesn't get any better, guys. I mean, there might as well be bald eagles and like the Star Spangled Banner coming out of the exhaust pipe of this damn thing when it starts. This thing is freaking gonna be so cool, so official. It's gonna look great. We'll get on the ground here in a second. We're just gonna finish up the front. We'll spare you with a bunch of stuff on that, and then we'll be right back with a wheel reveal and a stance reveal and how it looks lowered. All right, guys, thank y'all so very much for tuning in today. We got a lot done. The car looks amazing. We got on the ground, suspension, all the springs, the tires, the wheels, the brakes. We just can't be happier with it. Catch us back with the next one. We'll have a lot of the other stuff getting worked on it. But in the meantime, like, subscribe, and comment. Tell us what we did great. Tell us what we did wrong. And if you like it, man, please subscribe. It helps us out. We can keep doing cool content like that. Until next time, God bless y'all. Y'all have a great day.